Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesdays, where I cover a new topic every week in just 2 minutes. These are generally topics that don't justify a full length video on their own, so I'll cover them quickly here. All right, my name is Crescent, and welcome to another 2 Minute Tuesday. And today's topic is virtual assistants and how not to get scammed by them. All right, let's go. Okay, so if you didn't already know, a virtual assistant is someone you can hire that works remotely to help you with your Amazon business. You can employ them full-time, part-time, or even on a per-task basis, such as performing administrative work to content creation, product sourcing, or whatever else you need help with. Virtual assistants can be very helpful, especially for doing tasks that you don't want to do. For example, I have my VA collect my Facebook leads. If you're a member of my Facebook group, you would have noticed that it asks for your email address when you request to join. Well, someone has to copy those down every day and put them in a spreadsheet. I don't want to do that. It takes forever. There's hundreds every single day. She also answers emails, moderates my social media groups and forums, and does other mundane tasks so I can spend my time on more productive things. Now, I've been screwed in a few business deals in the past, so I'm pretty cynical these days, which is why I like to have control of every part of my business. I also make sure that I have an understanding and knowledge of every aspect so I can verify any outsourced work is done correctly. This is why I never give anyone tasks where the result of their work will directly affect the success of my business. For example, I see a lot of people that outsource their product research. I would never do that. The products you sell directly correlate to the success of your Amazon business. How do you know they did the research correctly or that they didn't sell the same product idea to 1,000 other people? I'm highly suspicious if their business is sourcing products because I know how hard it is to find viable product ideas. I find it extremely hard to believe that they're able to consistently find viable product ideas to sell to pay their bills. They'd have to find dozens of products every month, and I don't think that's possible. The problem is they're always going to get paid, but in the end, you bear all the risk. It doesn't matter to them if you succeed or fail, you already paid them. This holds true for giving a VA control over your PPC campaigns, for example. Not doing it right can cost you thousands of dollars before you even realize it. And you know what else? Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out and it helps get this video out to more people and I'd appreciate it. Now, before you roll your eyes and go, Crescent, man, you're way too paranoid, I'll give you an idea of why I'm so skeptical about VAs. Every day I see posts from people in my Facebook group who are obviously VAs answering and asking questions. And I can tell just by the type of questions they're asking or their responses that they don't have any real world experience selling on Amazon and they're learning on their client's dime. Apparently, there's VA schools and courses that are just pumping out VAs, flooding the scene with people that don't have actual experience selling on Amazon. And from what I've discovered, most of these VAs are coming out of Pakistan. You can see here that this VA is charging for his services and he doesn't even know the difference between a personal or business account or how to sign up for a seller account on Amazon. This person just completed a VA course and is looking for work. This person doesn't even know what services he can offer as a VA. And this person is straight up giving bad advice. You can see from his profile that he claims to be an expert Amazon VA. In this case, you need real invoices to get ungated. Hiring a service that provides invoices is how you get banned from selling on Amazon. Those are fake invoices. Those services give you fake invoices to try to get around the ungating process. This person has experience with a single product and is selling his services. Okay? And these two guys claim to be experts. Sure they are. This one just completed a VA course and claims to be an expert now. And here's the worst ones of them all. You can see here that this person has friends that receive private messages from VAs claiming to be experts only to get scammed. They figured out that they were just desperate freelancers who will say that they can do anything just to learn on their dime. And here's another one that you can see who personally got screwed. Luckily, he says that it wasn't for that much money. I can keep going on, but I think you get the idea. The biggest red flag is these VAs will claim that they can help you and they'll send you a private message or they'll contact you unsolicited by private message. Okay, so anyway, I just want to point this out because I hate seeing people get taken advantage of, and I hope I shed some light on how I would suggest using VAs for your business and to be extremely careful who you hire and what you task them to do. Ultimately, it's your business and the success or failure of it depends on the decisions that you make. All right, if you found value in this video, consider subscribing. And remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out, and I sincerely appreciate it. If you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions for a future 2-Minute Tuesday video, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it or my longer form content, there's one over here that YouTube thinks you might like. Alright, thanks for watching.